The Moonlight Cafe was open 24/7, a relic of neon lights, dusty jukebox tunes, and the smell of burnt coffee that somehow felt comforting. And working the late shift tonight was Lily Carter, 21 years old, soft-spoken, always tired, always polite. She had that face people trusted instantly, but she also had the look of someone who had learned to endure more than she ever said out loud. She moved between tables with practiced grace, her blue apron tied over a worn uniform, whispering, "Thank you, hun," with a small smile that barely touched her eyes. And then they walked in. Logan Pierce and Tyler Ward. Two local college dropouts who still behaved like the kings of their high school glory days. Letterman jackets, loud laughter, cheap cologne fighting with the cafe's smell. They crashed into a booth, boots on the cable, smirking like the whole place belonged to them. From the moment Lily approached with her order pad, their eyes locked onto her like predators tracking prey. "Hey, sweetheart," Logan drawled, leaning back. "Didn't know this cafe hired angels." Tyler chimed in with a whistle. "I'll take a burger and your number. Make it quick." Their voices carried across the whole cafe. People looked away. People always looked away. Their order was a disaster. Changed 3 times, delivered with insults each time. Then Logan accidentally spilled his Coke right near Lily's shoes. "You gonna clean that up, sugar?" he sneered. Lily knelt, trembling fingers sweeping ice cubes off the floor. Tyler laughed like it was the funniest thing in the world. But things turned darker when their food arrived. Logan spit his fries on the plate. "This crap is cold. You messing with us?" Lily whispered, I can get a fresh batch." But Logan grabbed her wrist. Hard. The cafe fell silent. "You're not sorry. You're just stupid," he hissed. Lily tried to pull away, her voice barely a breath. Please let go." That word, please, lit something cruel behind Logan's eyes. He shoved her back and slapped her. The sound cracked the room in half. Lily stumbled, clutching her reddened cheek as tears filled her eyes. And just like that, the bell above the cafe door chimed. A man stepped inside, tall, broad, rain dripping from his jacket. His dark green fatigue pants and heavy boots marked him instantly. Lily's older brother. Back from deployment, unannounced. His eyes scanned the room, landing on Lily curled against the counter. Something inside him snapped so quietly, it was terrifying. Beside him padded a huge Belgian Malinois, soaked and alert, rumbling with a low growl. Logan and Tyler straightened, but tried to look tough. Noah didn't even glance at them at first. He walked to Lily, voice soft. "Lil, who touched you?" Lily sobbed harder. No names needed. Noah turned. What stood in front of Logan and Tyler was no longer just a soldier. It was a storm given human shape. "You hit my sister?" Noah asked, voice like ice forming. Logan scoffed. "Dude, she was being a little—" He didn't finish. Noah moved faster than anyone could register. A single sharp strike to Logan's collarbone sent him collapsing, gasping like a fish on deck. Tyler lunged. Bad idea. One twist of Noah's hand, one shove. Tyler's head slammed into the table, rattling dishes and leaving him bleeding from the nose, moaning in shock. The cafe went dead silent. Noah didn't gloat, didn't shout, just stood there breathing like nothing happened. His dog sat beside Logan, teeth bare, daring him to move. When police arrived, Logan and Tyler screamed lies. "He attacked us! We were just eating!" But the whole cafe erupted at once. "He slapped her! He grabbed her first! That soldier saved her!" The officers looked at Noah, then at the beaten bullies, then at the terrified waitress with the red cheek. Case closed. Logan and Tyler were cuffed, shoved into the patrol car, Letterman jackets stained with blood and rain. Later that night, Noah walked Lily to his truck, the Malinois nudging her hand protectively. "You okay?" he asked softly. She looked at him, tears drying on her face, but a new strength glowing behind her eyes. "I am now." And that night, Rockwell learned something. Quiet people aren't weak. They're just waiting. And sometimes the person standing behind them is a storm the world never saw coming.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to get updates on new video.